Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a new payment method to the PetSmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start using your new credit card to pay for certain products on the PetSmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first go onto the PetSmart app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on Account. Now, once you click on Account, you want to scroll down and click on Payment Methods. Once you click on Payment Methods, this is where you could actually go ahead and enter your credit card information, such as your card name, card number, CVC, expiration date, etc. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect a new payment method to your PetSmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.